Car sharing is a relatively new type of transport. Currently, there are quite a few companies offering different kind of car sharing services. Some of them have their company cars spread across major cities of the world, and customers can use those cars by renting online. Some other systems allow customers to offer their private cars as well. What it does is basically allowing car owners to offer their cars during the trips. In other words, everyday drivers serve as a taxi with their private vehicles. Let's say you live in London and have a business meeting tomorrow in Manchester. You will go there with your private car and have 3 empty seats. In order not to waste extra space and make most out of the trip, you can offer that space to other people who will travel to Manchester as well. Sharing has a lot of advantages from perspectives of those who offer their cars and those who use the offer. From drivers' perspective, it's beneficial because they make money just by sharing their car. From passengers' perspective, it's beneficial because they save money, because most of the time car sharing charges are less than other type of common transports like coaches, trains or taxis. Socializing is another advantage that both driver and passenger can benefit from. You get to know new people and hear new stories. Car sharing can solve traffic problems to some extent as well. More efficient usage of car space can lead to fewer number of cars on roads and thus reducing the chance of traffic. Bluebus is a customized application approach to car sharing by Atos UK. It's a corporate car sharing mobile app that allows sharing cars during trips between Atos sites within UK and Northern Ireland. Its target users are meant to be Atos employees and potential customers. The app is required to be designed to be able to offer common functionalities of other car sharing apps, but with some limitations, such as Bluebus app should only allow offering and searching rides between Atos sites in UK and Northern Ireland, and available to only its employees and customers. When we were first introduced with the project, we did not initially have a general idea of how the app should work or what should it look like. So we started our research by using and experimenting similar existing apps in the market, so that we can have a general notion of how that kind of app should operate, behave and interact with users. After a series of experiments, when we had enough background, we started to design Bluebus. We first made some sketches on paper. The initial user interface was composed as a mock-up and included only key features like offering and searching rides. After completing up, we started to build actual mobile device app. While designing, we tried to keep design as simple as we can, so it won't seem confusing to users. After a number of meetings with client, we prioritized our requirements and specifications. We sorted requirements in Moscow style. Initially we included must-have requirements, then should-have requirements as the project progresses. We also composed some use cases showing user interactions with the app and completion of some tasks. Having simple user interface, creating an account, allowing users to be able to search for rides, allowing for offering the rides can be examples to main must-have requirements. The app requires internet connection to be fully functional. Signing in, searching, and publishing rides are processes that can be accomplished without internet connection. Users need to have accounts in order to properly use the application. When user searches for rides, the system brings search result from database. Publishing the rides works the same way. Once user finishes entering details of offered ride and publishes it, database gets updated with the latest offered rides. Car sharing apps in the market use real money for ride fees and charges. Most of the time, the amount is set by the person who offers the ride. In case of Bluebus, our client proposed a Bitcoin concept. So instead of real money, offering rides can earn a virtual coin or Bitcoin. If you have enough Bitcoins, you can use them for using rides offered by other users. This resembles point-based system. As every user has Bluebus accounts, their personal and app activity data is stored in database. That means the record of users' activities is saved in database so they can view their ride history, including both offered and used rides. When app launches, the main page appears with two main buttons, one for searching for rides and another for offering rides. On search page, there are fields for entering start and destination points of the trip. We have already inserted address UK locations into the system, so when user starts to type, relevant autocomplete options are shown. After filling location fields, user selects date of their trip, and when Go button is pressed, search results are shown in the next page. On offer ride page, then there are fields for start point, destination and date. This time user can also insert return trip date if applicable. Go button will lead to ride details page, then user can confirm and publish the trip online. Navigation bar is also available for easy navigation between pages of the app. We stored all details, results and other relevant data of project on our website. It's accessible through the link. Each phase of project development process is stored on a different content section and can easily be accessed. For current version of the prototype, we mainly concentrated on user interface and design aspect of the application and added only basic functionalities for demonstration. For term 2, we are planning to mainly develop on functionality such as linking app to online resources, adding login for users, filtering of search results, more detailed write-off procedure and more design features if necessary. We will also update project website so that its content is always up to date.